Good morning, everybody. It is 10:15. I'm really backlit and I apologize. We're actually in the elevator right now to go down to the pool. I was about to say the beach. I got my GoPro. The girls are in their bathing suits. Well, Shayna's going out the door. So let's go swimming.
We are at the Luna Pool, the main pool at the boardwalk. As you can see, there's Leaping Horse Libations that has some like food, some alcohol, drinks. You can fill your resort mugs there. They do have ice cream. Right over there is their big slide, and the main pool's right here. All over the pool they have these white stanchions, which are towel return and new clean towels. Over here there is a playground and a little splash pad area, and you can see there's a ton of umbrellas. There's a Josh as well. Hi. There's a ton of shaded seating, so no issue with that. We got here a little after 10, and I've heard that if you're not here right at 10, you will not get shade. We've been in shade this whole time. And right over there, you can't really see it, is the hot tub, so that's available as well. There is a quieter pool by our room. That's the leisure pool. It's actually open earlier, and I believe a little later. There's no pool bar or anything, but it's a very quiet, calm pool, and there's also a hot tub over there as well.
Film if you're going underwater.
Okay, can you hold? Okay, this is video, guys.
Alright, I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to hear me, but I'm about to go down the slide inside of the pool. This is the first I've ever done it. Wish me luck. Whoa. Oh, 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 oh,
That's why I don't breathe. That's why.
You want to come out? Okay. Good afternoon. About, I don't know, 4 hours later, we decided to go back up to the room after playing in the pool for a little while. Amy took an extremely long power nap. Now we're on our way to Hollywood Studios and go out to dinner. Amy, where are we eating tonight?
Roundup Rodeo Barbecue.
Roundup Rodeo Barbecue. So we're gonna go to Hollywood Studios. I know it's a little super loud, so I apologize if you guys can't hear me, but I wanted to show you a copy of the menu so you guys know what they actually serve here. Oh, that was the front of the menu, and now this is the back. I'm about to show you what it actually looks like in here too, so just give me 1 second. I really love the theming of this. It is really cool, and I understand the whole Toy Story thing is like you're shrunk down to like the toys level, you know, in Andy's room and whatnot, but I really do appreciate the theming in this restaurant. And I think when we were here last for the soft opening, I believe this restaurant was actually not here, so this is our first time dining. We'll let you know how it tastes and what it looks like. The other thing I forgot to show you guys are these plates. I'm gonna have Amy pick up one of the plates. That is not a paper plate. That's ceramic. That's actually really kind of cool. Good timing though, because they decided to give us bread and fruit and salad. So we're gonna eat all of this, or Shayna's gonna give it to me, right? Nope, Shayna doesn't like it? Nope, okay, so I guess I'm gonna eat the salad. But check out that bread. Amy, do you happen to know what kind of bread that is?
Honey cheddar, and there's a sweet pepper relish. All right, our food came out super quick.
Very quick.
This is the plant-based option. but we said we're vegetarian, so we did get some stuff. So this is the Roarin' Ribs. It's soy-based protein with sugar cane and barbecue sauce, plant-based sausage, and the seasoned cauliflower. Baked beans, potato barrels, salmon, coleslaw, and corn. The only thing I think we're missing is actually mac and cheese. Ariella, what's your favorite thing at this table?
I love the tater tots, so tasty. I like the mac and cheese. I tried the salmon, but I did not like it, and I still like salmon. Well, I think that's it.
Yeah, so we did get Slinky Dog's mac and cheese. Shayna, how's your food? I'll take that as good.
I don't want to give my honest opinion because I always feel like it's always negative. Everything is spicy. So the ribs, I don't know what's in. I don't know if it's the sauce or the actual meat. The protein itself is spicy. One of that is very spicy. The sausage was actually okay. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't that bad. Cauliflower, I am already biased. I'm not a cauliflower person, but I did try it. The salmon was good, but I've eaten salmon like 2 or 3 times already, so I'm like salmoned out. There is a difference between the vegetarian version of corn and the non-vegetarian version of corn. I like the vegetarian side of it better. So, I mean, respectfully, and I know I'm gonna get hate mail for this one, I'm not a fan of this place, but it was worth trying.
Also, the baked beans. The vegetarian one has jackfruit in it, where the regular one has brisket mixed in.
Yeah, who turned off the lights?
That was Party Source Rex. So we have cupcake a la Forky, which is a chocolate cupcake with buttercream icing, a Twizzler, and a sugar cookie. We have chocolate silk pie, banana cream pie, and strawberry shortcake. The only one that's not on here is the cheesecake because that has pork gelatin in it. And we went with the plant-based meat.
Now that we're done with dinner, we're gonna go on Toy Story Mania and digest a little bit and have a little bit of fun. Wish me luck.
Ariella?
If you want to shoot further, aim higher.
Keep that box out of the head now!
Hey, good job! Well, that was Toy Story Mania. I jammed my finger. And now we're gonna go on a Slinky Dog ride because these 2 little princesses badly want to go. Let's go see if they like it or not. So we're on the Slinky Dog ride right now, and something I didn't realize until just now is there's a bathroom apparently on the queue to get onto the ride. Ariella had to go to the potty really like badly, so we actually had to jump out of line, go in through Toy Story Land just to go to the bathroom. So if anybody in your family or your party needs to actually go to the bathroom, apparently there's one at the end of the ride. Ready, Sheila? Ready, Sheila?
Here we go!
I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to hear me, so I have to use the microphone off top of my camera so you guys can hear me. Slinky Dog Dash was a lot of fun. Both Ariella and Shayna did not like the first half. But if you guys know the ride, or if you just saw what I just posted with the BOV, after you get shot off, that's actually when the girls started freaking out and loving it. Again, if you saw the POV, you would have saw Shayna literally freaking out. She loved it. Ariella loved it. So, yeah. Now we're about to go on Minnie and Minnie's runaway train. And it is not air conditioned, so I'm going to go sweat before we get on to the ride.
We'll sing a song. Absolutely nothing will go wrong. Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. Could have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
We made it!
Nothing can stop us now.
We have to stop them before they go over the...
It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. Let's conga! Ha! Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Don't go in there!
Well, that concludes my guided tour.
Okay, I think we're done for the night as far as rides are concerned. But we're about to go see Fantasmic for the first time with the girls. Amy and I have seen this so many times that we know the entire show by heart. But we've never seen it through the girls' eyes before, so I'm curious how they're going to react. Let's find out. Well, I guess I hope you guys enjoyed watching Fantasmic. As you can tell, the camera got wet. We got wet. We were sitting in the front row. I thought where I put my camera was safe from getting splashed, but apparently it was not. The girls also passed out. They were, I guess, so overstimulated and so much of everything today that they passed out. We were able to get them back in the hotel room. We changed them into pajamas. Amy and I took a shower because we were sweating literally from sunrise to sunset. But yeah, today was fun. Exhausting but fun. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell notification, like this comment, and leave a comment below. Guys, if you don't subscribe and leave comments below and like the video, how do I know that you guys are enjoying our videos? Plus, if you don't subscribe, you'll miss out on all the other fun and surprises that the girls still have no clue. Thank you very much for watching, guys.